Indices. These are the rules of indices: multiplication rule, division rule, power of a power, zero index, negative index, and these are called powers and roots. Now we do some examples. So we're going to do this example. This is 1, then 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we're going to simplify this expression. So it's equal to, so we multiply the number with the number. So 7 times 5 is 35. Then because we are multiplying, so we add the indices. So 35x, then here we 2 plus 6 on the top. So your final answer 35 x to the power 8. Now this one called power rule. So basically it's t to the power 2 times 6, so which is t to the power 12. Now this example, so we put the numbers together, so it's 12 times 2/3, then we have x, then we have this y here, then we got y cubed next to it. So this is like fractions, so it's 12 divided by 1 here. So one method, we multiply the top numbers, then divide by 3, or we can just simply divide here, top and bottom by 3. How many 3's go into 3? 1. 3 into 12 is 4. So now we have 4 times 2, which is 8. Then we have x, then times y. We don't write it, but it's actually y to the power 1 here. So then we will have 1 plus 3, which is y to the power 4. And this is our answer. The next example is a division. So it's better if you write it like this: 5x cubed 8y, sorry, y to the power 8. Then this expression we write underneath, so it's 10x squared, then y to the power 5. Now we divide 5 by 10, which is going to give you half. Then x, 3 on the top, 2 on the bottom, that means 3 minus 2. Then y, 8 on the top, 5 on the bottom, means minus 5. Now it's half. This is x to the power 1 times y to the power 3. But we don't normally write 1, so just half x y to the power 3. Now we do this example. First, this is the formula: x to the power minus n is 1 over x to the power n. So therefore 7 to the power minus 3 is 1 over 7 to the power 3. Then 7 to the power 3 we can work out, so 7 times 7 is 49, then multiply by 7 again, So that's 3, we carry 6, 7 times 4 is 28, 28 add 6 is 34. So therefore this answer is 1 over 343. Then the second part, now 8 to the power 2/3, so we have to use the rule of powers and roots. So this is basically is a square and then the third root. So one method, we will write 8 square, then take the cube root. So that is cube root of 64. So the cube root of 64, because 4 times 4 times 4 is 64, so therefore the answer is 4. Or we can do the other way around, we do the cube root first, then we square it. So the cube root of 8 is 2, then you square it, so you get the answer 4. So therefore 8 to the power 2/3 is basically equal to 4.